Hi there. Today we're going to talk about job costing and tracking profitability by job. My name is Hector Garcia, and I'm a certified public accountant. I've partnered with QuickBooks to share tips on how to scale your growing business. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more videos just like this. If you want to learn more about payroll and profitability, visit the link below for a more detailed article. As your growing business takes on more jobs, tracking profitability at the job level becomes significantly more complicated. If you have a project-based business, like a construction company, just a handful of unprofitable jobs can kill your entire profitability for the year. Tracking job profitability could be the Achilles heel of a project-based business, mainly because most businesses do not have the foresight to know if a job is going to be profitable or not. That can still be the case even after the job has been completed. Most project managers feel defeated when they find this out after the fact. This is where construction accounting comes in. If you know an ongoing job is creeping into the red, there are still actions you can take to mitigate the risk of it becoming unprofitable. Think about redeploying resources, negotiating material costs, or changing orders to accommodate costs beyond the originally scoped estimates. Needless to say, with job costing, timing is of the essence. The best tool to help you act quickly is the Work in Progress Report, or WIP, a single dashboard that tracks your active jobs, along with key details like actual costs and estimated costs. In accounting terms, the percentage value of actual costs divided by the total project estimated cost is a percent of the job that has been completed. This number can be compared to the observational on-site percent completed based on your understanding of the phase the current job is in. With this, you can quickly assess if you're spending money faster than you are completing jobs in the real world. The other key information in the WIP report is the estimated revenue, or the contracted amount, and the actual revenue, the actual amount that has been invoiced. This number lets you know how much of the job has been invoiced to your customers so far. Assuming the contract conditions have been met, you want to make sure that you're actively invoicing the job based on the phase you're in. If you use the percentage of completion accounting method, the WIP report can help you calculate the current profitability of each job. Just multiply the current percentage of job completed by the estimated or contracted revenue to figure out your earned revenue in progress, and that minus the actual cost is your real-time profitability of jobs in progress. If you use the completed contract method of accounting, you can still use this report for management purposes and it won't affect your accounting. For cash flow planning, take the earned revenue amount and compare it to the actual revenue amount to determine if you've been underbilling or overbilling your jobs. This will give you an indication if you're ahead or behind of your payment collection attempts. After all, your customers are not going to pay you if you have not invoiced them. Tracking projects and profit margins involves a lot of moving parts, but an all-in-one software like QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise can help you organize everything from materials and subcontractors to payroll and other job expenses. Contractors and other project-based businesses love QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise because it provides all the tools for proper job costing. Plus, you have access to that very essential work in progress summary report that we talked about. And finally, the committed cost report keeps you updated on upcoming costs, such as your timesheets for payroll or open purchase orders. And here's the bottom line. Understanding your true project profitability is an exercise in analyzing your progress during a period of time. The way you get there is through real-time project management tools that allow you to take control of your projects and steer them towards profitability. Want to learn more about how QuickBooks can help you with your job costing? Check out the resources linked in the description below. Did I help you in some way today? If so, hit the like button and share this video with someone who may find this helpful. Or subscribe to the QuickBooks channel, and thanks for watching.